Question number 3. How is an antibiotic cream or ointment good in healing the wound? An antibiotic cream or ointment is good in healing the wound because it keeps the surface moist. It can help body's natural healing process work fast. As dear students, we have started with this point that how we are going to apply antibiotic cream, that definitely we are going to wash the wound and all the area around the wound, and then we are going to apply an antibiotic cream or ointment on that wound because it can keep the surface moist, and further it can help body's natural healing process work fast. So this is the purpose of using antibiotic cream or ointment. But if you are allergic to such ointments or antibiotic cream, and how you will come to know that you are allergic to such antibiotic creams or ointment, definitely a rash may appear. Then what is recommended to you? You are supposed to stop using such antibiotic creams. Question number 4. What should you do if you are allergic to adhesive material used in most bandages? Okay, if you are allergic to adhesive material, you should use adhesive-free dressing and or sterilized gauze held in place with paper tape, gauze roll, or loosely applied elastic bandages. So if you are allergic to such material that is used in bandages, so what you are supposed to do, you are supposed to do, so if we are, or if you are allergic to adhesive material which is used in most of the bandages, then you should definitely avoid using it, and you should try to use adhesive free bandages or thin gauze for the dressing on the wound, or such thing you can use this, because this may irritate your skin, or you may get some rash. In order to avoid such irritation or such rash, you must avoid such bandages which has the adhesive material, sticky material. Okay.